Hey there, welcome to the next day of onboarding for the new eHab platform. So today I just want to focus in on something that you can get straight away for free that is really, really powerful. So if you head to the Get Started guide, select a project or create a new one depending on where you are. I'm going to just go ahead and use an existing project I have. And we're going to be looking at the weather rules report. So this is a fantastic report because it will be you'll be able to claim it with just the free credits, the 50 free credits you get initially on sign up. Obviously, you can still claim the credits at the top there, the 100, to get an additional 100 credits. So let's head over to the weather rules. And effectively, this report is exactly how you would structure your risk matrix for if you were doing a more advanced feature on the eHab platform in your reports. But the beauty of this is that it effectively allows you to create custom rules. So I'll create a custom rule now, and we'll go general winter working calendar, and I want that to create that in the daytime only. So let's add that category. What it also allows you to do is choose from the list. So I've already added asphalt. I've already added a few things, but I'm going to go and search for drainage as well. So we've got a few different ones, but here we go, drainage. That's what I want to add. So I've got 4 categories out of 154 so far. And where's my general working calendar? I need to make sure that I add my general working calendar. So I will go and find it here, general winter working calendar. There we go. So currently there's no rules applied to this. So I'm going to have to add some. So I'm going to go and get a daily temperature minimum. We'll say 0 degrees. And we will say, we'll go for also wind speed of 15 meters per second. Right, and you can obviously add as many or as few rules as you like. But what you can see here is that the fantastic piece here is that very, very rapidly you will get an understanding of, in this location for each month of the year, what is the likely percentage of downtime that you should add on to any activity, and roughly, given the thresholds that you've provided, how many down days in the month are you likely to have. So focusing on specific activities, okay, we're going to really lose a lot of time with in situ concrete. Cranes and lifting isn't going to be doing so well, neither is asphalting. But on from a drainage perspective, we're probably only going to lose 1 day a month, or 4% of that activity. So you can go in and change these rules as well. So maybe we think this rule is just way too low. If we change it to -3, for example, then we're going to immediately see an update from the 1% in Jan, potentially to something higher, so 10%, given that this is in Fife, Scotland, so the weather's not always fantastic. The main purpose of this is that you can then print this off. You can also export that data if you want into a spreadsheet format using this. So you'll just be able to export whatever matrix that you've created, and this just gives you that ability to provide justification and understanding of weather downtime in your specific location based on your specific activities that you want to be doing. So thanks so much for listening, and see you in the next one.